Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're actually going to be learning about the dangers of phishing. What is phishing? Phishing is what it sounds like. A website or email asks for your username and password for a site or your credit card number and CVC so they can steal your account or use your credit card and stuff. Here's an example. Say you find a website that says it will give you money if you put your credit card info in. The credit card number, CVC, etc. You put in your info, realizing that you didn't get any money. A few hours later, an email was sent saying that you paid for a t-shirt even though you didn't buy it. This kind of scam can also happen through email. It can also happen to social media accounts, bank accounts, and even virtual game accounts like Animal Jam or Roblox. Like, for example, if it was Animal Jam, you could have a bunch of rare items taken away from you. Like, they'd log in with your password and trade over your rares to their account. And Roblox would be like if you had Robux, they would spend your Robux and stuff like that. Yeah. How to avoid phishing. If you get an email, delete the email and tell an adult right away if you are not one already. If it's on a website, just close the website and tell an adult again if you aren't one already. If it's the email, you tell them, and you are not an adult, you tell someone that you got an email. If it's the website, you tell them that you found the email. So that's different. And the end. I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't own any of the images, like these little images, like this one that says no phishing. I don't own those. So I hope to see you guys again in another video. I know this one was short, but it was just a little informational video. So have a nice day, everyone. Goodbye.